Good afternoon, everyone. Here I'm welcoming you in the computer aided design class. The CAD class is basically a software based class where you will understand and learn about the softwares such as Corel, Draw, Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator. So as you can see my screen, this is the Corel Draw 2020 version and it 64-bit compatible version. So you can just access this in the any desktop or laptop in the 64-bit compatibility. So this is basically a worksheet, or you can say the home page of the title. Whenever you have to start the new file, so you can just go to directly to the file menu bar, and then you can just click on the new. So this is the way of choosing of that. So here you can see the welcome screen on the same thing is coming. So you can just create a new template or a new document on a new workspace, etc. So the standard formats you can choose by the object menu as well. So let's start with this. There is a multiple templates the software is providing. You can use that with the application. I mean, there is a different templates as well. You can see whatever template you like it, so you can just start editing. There's a all editable templates, so you can start with that as well. Let's start with the new document. So new document, whenever we click on new document or control N or direct file menu, there is a options available of new menu. So this is the basically this look like a home screen, and where the all options and the bars are there. So if I'll talk about the different menu bars or something, so these are the basically the top layer of this panel is basically a title bar where your name of the file will come, or if you rename that or you want to give any pattern or prototype sample name, so you can just rename your or save as your file with the name. And this is the menu bar where the all options are there, all the design options are there. Whenever you will just start exploring that and use that, so you will enjoy it. This is basically property bar, or you can say the all these sub options are available here. So you can say the property bar, and this is the measure scale where you can just see, take the grid lines for your helping that for your object or drawing, or maybe for block figure or croquis design, etc. And this is the vertical guidelines, so you can take multiple lines as per your uses, and you can take the vertical lines as well as per your application. And after that, there is a this is the rural scale. As I told you, this is the page option where whenever how much page you can create. There is a multiple way to do the different artboard in a same screen. So let's start with the first page. So this is basically a flyout tool, or you can say the toolbar. Toolbar is all about where all the tools and sub tools available. You can see that there is so many creative tools available for the illustration, sketching, and drawing, or removing the thing, or logo making, etc, etc. And here the color kit is available. So color kit can be composed by your own colors as per your taste or choice. So I'll tell you later on it, this as well. So let's start with the first composer. So first is like when we are creating a flat pattern here for the bodies block. So let's start. I mean, this is the worksheet area where you can start working on your project or area, and this is the rough area where you can just complete your work, and after that you can just go to the worksheet. So let's start with that. So there is the illustrator tool. So first of all, I want to tell you the two basic tool which is very important here. So first of all, the first tool is a pick tool. Without pick tool you can't do anything. So anything, any object you have to move, so you have to click on the pick tool, and then you can your object will be moved or your object will be set at the required area. Okay, and after that, these are the Illustrator tools, illustration tools, and the object tools you can use as per your choice. So let's start with that. So the Illustrator tool I will take, these are the freehand, B-spline, Bezier, 2-point curve, polyline, and 3-point curve. So many tools are there. So I'll just start with the 3-point curve. So 3-point curve, because we are creating a flat pattern. So, okay, we'll start working in the worksheet. So how you have to start, you have to just click and drag. So you need not to stop dragging or closing the area, otherwise this you can not move the section. And next notch, whenever you need to start, this arrow should become, see, when I'm just coming on the corner, so the plus point is plus sign is coming, and then the arrow option is coming. So then I'll start making my block. So where I want to click, I can click that. If you need an exact straight line, you can take the help of shift or option in your board. Okay, as you can see that, as per my choice, my application, my project demand, I can drag the image. Switch. The Control Z is a redo option here. In Photoshop, it works with Control Alt Z for the multiple deleting. But here, the Control Z is directly working. Okay. So now you can see my half of the pattern is ready. So I need not to create the second half. So I can just duplicate the image. First, I need to group the image. For grouping, I have to choose the group option, or you can press Ctrl G in the keyboard, and the group option will come. If you want to ungroup the layer or ungroup the things, so you can just ungroup all and then start working on it. And then the Control D for the duplication, you can go to the edit option for the duplication as well, and then you can just mirroring the image. So this is for the vertical mirroring, this is for horizontal mirroring. And now you can take the help of arrows for the proper set. Now you can see my bottom line is connected. But my neckline is not connected. For this case, I can go to the shape option. So shape, it has a very multiple option for the shaping, smooth, smear, well, as per the uses. So, and you can, now my image is grouped. So I have to ungroup the image, and then I can start working on it. Okay. And if I need to draw the line of hemline or something, so we can also do that. So for hemline or seam line, you can again create a line with the help of it. So this you can change the size of your line and the style of your line. As you can see, the seam line is the dotted one. So you can reshape as per your choice, and then okay. So the line option, style option is here. You can choose the line as per your choice. Now I'll duplicate this and shift at my second hand. So as you can see that student, because with the help of this, you can choose the style, you can change the color or options. So accordingly, you can fill the color as well for the left click or right click. So you can use this type of tools in the patterns or illustrate and the model creation. Thank you so much.